Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use potassium sorbate. This guide will help you understand its purpose and application. Potassium sorbate is a widely used food additive that helps prevent spoilage. It's particularly effective against mold, yeast, and fungi, extending the shelf life of many products. We'll cover its benefits and how to incorporate it correctly into your recipes. Potassium sorbate functions by disrupting the metabolic processes of unwanted microorganisms. This action prevents them from growing and multiplying, which is crucial for food safety and quality. It's most potent in acidic environments, typically with a pH below 6.0. Understanding this mechanism helps you apply it effectively to protect your food items from spoilage. You'll find potassium sorbate in many products, from cheese to baked goods and even wine, where it prevents secondary fermentation. For most applications, a small amount is sufficient. A common dosage is between 0.25% and 0.1% of the product's weight. Always ensure it's fully dissolved in a small amount of water before mixing it into your main batch. To ensure optimal results and safety, always adhere to the recommended usage rates. Overuse can affect taste, while too little may not be effective. Dissolve the powder thoroughly in a small amount of liquid before incorporating it into your recipe. Add it towards the end of your preparation process. Store it properly to maintain its efficacy over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.